Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So showing the stationery that I'll be using, that's the Dome's pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca black pen for the outlining. And today I'll be using the Faber-Castell pencil color. They are very smooth to work with. The links for all the products are available in the video description. You can just go and check them out. So these are the colors, Faber-Castell pencil colors. And so today we are going to start with the drawing of a radio. So first we'll be making the basic drawing with the pencil. So here I am making a sleeping line, again one more sleeping line at the bottom and joining them with a standing line. So it's basically a rectangle that we are making over here for the basic structure of the radio. So once we are done with this, we are going to draw a circle on one side, a big circle. Now we are adding one more rectangle here where we'll be making a volume bar, and here we have another two circles. So it's the first circle and then the other one. So like this we are done with the basic structure with the pencil. Now we'll be outlining with the pen. So I'm making the curves on all the four sides, all the four edges, and then outlining the sleeping line and the pencil lines that we have drawn. The basic structure that we have drawn before, just the edges we are going to keep curved. Now outlining the bigger circle that we made, and inside it I am making one more circle which is exactly the same as the outer one. This is basically the speaker of the radio. Now we'll be making the slanting lines, first in one direction. If you want, you can use the scale to make these lines. And then making slanting lines in the other direction. So like this we have made the speaker of the radio. Now we are making a smaller square here, again putting the curves on the edges. Now making a small rectangle here, a vertical rectangle, and then making a sleeping line to show the volume bar. Now we'll be making one circle here. On top of the circle we drew with the pencil, and inside it we'll be making one more circle to show the controllers. Now we are starting with the handle of the radio. So just marking the two dots, making a standing line curved, and then making a sleeping line again. Which is again a bit curved when coming down. Now we will be just doubling this line. And making a standing, sleeping and a standing line for the power button. Now making the antenna, so a rectangle here and joining it with two slanting lines and then putting two sleeping lines in between. So we are done with the basic drawing of the radio and also the outline. Now we'll be erasing the extra lines with the eraser. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this video. Please share your feedback for this video, and also you can let me know what you want me to draw next for tomorrow's tutorial. Now we are starting with the colors. These are the Faber-Castell colors that I am using. So the colors you can decide on your own, whichever you want to do. There is no restriction there. This is just an example. These colors are very smooth to work with. I hope you liked the tutorial. Do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the regular notifications. And all the product links that I have used in this video are available in the description. Do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.